When it comes to building or remodeling a custom home, you'll undoubtedly need a variety of building materials, including millwork, hardwoods, doors, cabinets, and trim. Helping you construct homes, the Detering Company offers high-quality building supplies and custom manufactured pieces that are central to fully developing any home's design aesthetic. Detering offers building products including custom doors, custom cabinets, custom windows, flooring, molding, and brick and stone. Our 5 craftsmen with over 123 years of combined experience create custom pieces in our manufacturing shop that elevate the design of any home. Whether you're interested in front doors that make a statement or transom and fixed windows customized for a specific home, Detering has building material and products to complete your new construction or remodel job. Because every home and the vision you have for it is one of a kind, rely on the Detering Company for beautifully crafted building materials and custom pieces. The Detering Company is your building products and services expert, servicing Spring and the Houston area. If you have any questions or are looking to place an order, contact us today. Visit us at detering.com for more information, including CAD drawings and our building resources. Detering is here to help you make your building project a success.